Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process for how you can sign in into the CZ affiliate account of yours. Now for that you open a browser at first, then there you type in www.cz.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of the CZ. Now here, to get logged in into your account, you need to click on login on the top right corner over here. Click on login. This will direct you to the login page for CZ affiliate. Now here, to log in, you need to provide your email address and then password and click on login. And with this, you will be logged in into your account of CZ affiliate. Hope this video was useful on how you can easily get signed in. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and update.